Hi guys, welcome to your university. Today we are going to see about how to create this text scrolling animation using Figma. So let's get into the video. First of all, create the workspace, then rename it. Font size will be 128 pixels. Font family will be Montserrat Extra Bold. Then add all characters of rolling in one by one. Now we have to duplicate the character in 10 times. Then group the all characters separately. Finally, select all the characters and add a frame selection. Now add the clip content. Drag the frame from bottom to top. Just move the characters to top like rolling effect. Then duplicate the frame. Go to 10th character of each one and align the text properly. Then select all frames, add component set. Now we have to add the prototype. Then add the frame. Go to Assets and drag and drop the component. Okay, we completed the rolling text effect in Figma. If you have any doubt means please comment in comment section. Thanks for watching guys.